Hello and good day, bringing to you the all-new Ultimate No Bark Collar by Classic. This comes in 8 incredible colors. It is on sale now on Amazon.com. Simply click the link below the video now and you can go to Amazon and check out the all-new Ultimate 680 DCB Vibrate Collar. It is designed especially for small dogs that are 4 pounds to 12 pounds. It is ideal. This is a rechargeable collar. That is one of the most unique features about this product. It is rechargeable. So if you have any questions, you can contact me, the seller, through Amazon, and I will get back to you just as fast as I can. Usually within just an hour or two. So thank you and look forward to helping you in the future. Have a great day.